Hey guys, what's up? I'm Jason, and today I'm going to be reviewing these right here. I talked in a different video about how I use a multicolored light in my fogs. One of my headlights went out, so I thought this was a good opportunity to go ahead and try out a 3-color one. Basically, it gives you white color, which is really good for everyday use, a more yellowish color, which is probably somewhere around factory, but a little bit brighter. And then you've got straight up amber, which is gonna be really good for dust, snow, really anything like that. I live in Colorado, so I really like to have the amber in the fogs. So now I'm gonna have the amber in the headlights as well. This is the H11. If you have a 4Runner, you're gonna go ahead and get that one. But they also carry it in a lot of different sizes, and you can get them for pretty much any vehicle. It comes with an instruction manual, a little ballast here, and this is going to connect to the headlight. It has this little fan. It also has this protective glass on top of it. You're going to need to remove that. It even says right here, remove glass. This is going to screw into the light, and this will actually plug into your vehicle. So I would always recommend getting LED lights. It's one of the first mods I did in my 4Runner because you're able to see a lot better with these. They just reflect off of things nicer, and they're just a lot brighter. And until I saw these, I had just had some standard LEDs in them, and then when it came to harsh weather, the white actually would blow things out. So the thing that makes white LEDs so great is actually something that makes them not so great in bad weather, because this is able to reflect off of road signs, off of the little strips that are on the road, and they're able to do that really well. But once there's fog there, the snow, the rain is going to act like a reflector, and everything in front of your car is going to be blown out white. But with colors like yellow, the light is able to be scattered in a better way through the fog. My favorite thing about this is that it is truly plug and play. You just use the factory knob to change the lights. There's no modification that needs to be done in order to fit these bulbs inside your vehicle. So for the purpose of this video, I went ahead and connected them just to show you guys what's actually happening on the bulb when you change it. But it is actually easier to get the bulb inside the housing and then connect the wires afterwards. So I basically just wanted to show you guys a few tests of kind of how things look and maybe the performance, just so you guys get a better understanding of the lights. Even though the weather here is very clear, I think off-road is the best test of these lights. My first time taking these off-road, I was really impressed with the output, and I really like the option of switching to a different color temperature if I wanted to, even though the weather was perfectly fine. If it started raining pretty bad, I know that I could switch the light at the flip of a switch. So I've been running these for about a month now, and I've actually been very impressed with these lights. I usually run them in this mode, which is the white light mode, but when I'm off-road I usually run the second setting. I've only had to use the third setting one time, and that was in some pretty heavy rain. I was sure I'll be running that a lot more once winter comes around. Now I posted a preview to this video on my Instagram, and Boslla actually reached out to me and they gave me a code. I will put that right here, and also I'll link the Amazon link because they have a code for 15% off on Amazon. Now the rest of the video is really just the install for the 4Runner, so if you are here for the install, go ahead and keep watching. If not, I will see you guys in the next video. So directly behind the headlight right here, you'll find this center cap. So you're looking for this, you're gonna move it about a quarter turn and it should pop right out. These little 4 things, just remember that for when you put it back on. But next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna unplug the old one. This right here, it has 1, 2, and 3 right here, and it's gonna go into the hole. So I didn't really know how to show this very well. So basically, yeah, you've got this one here, and then the last one is gonna be a little bit wider so you can tell which one goes in which hole.
So just line it up, look at it, and make sure it matches, and then you should be able to screw it in pretty easy.
You see one is not down here. That's gonna correspond with this one here, and you're just gonna plug those in together. This little piece right here, you'll see that it threads on pretty easy. And then after that, it should look like this.
So after everything's plugged in, you need to make sure to tuck these wires back in there. Then you're gonna go ahead and screw this cap back on, just a quarter twist. So just to note that the other side is actually a little bit more difficult to reach because of the battery, but we're basically just doing exactly what we did on the other side.